Florida General Knowledge Test Math Prep, Part 18. What is the equation that expresses the relationship between x and y in the table below? This problem is considered to be one of the more rigorous problems on the General Knowledge Test Math subsection. We want to find the equation that expresses the relationship between the x and y coordinates in the table. Our first step will be to find the slope. We do this by picking any two pairs of points and applying them to the formula m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let's use -2, -4, and -1, -3 for our points. And let's call them x1 and y1, x2 and y2, respectively. Substituting those values into the formula, we have -3 minus -4 divided by -1 minus -2. This gives us -3 plus 4 divided by -1 plus 2. Which simplifies to 1 over 1, or simply 1. So we know that our slope m is equal to 1. To find the rest of the equation, we substitute m equals 1, and our x1, y1 coordinates into the point-slope formula. That formula is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. If we look back, we see that we used coordinate points -2, -4 for our x1 and y1. We also know that m is equal to 1. So, plugging in values for m and x1, y1 into the formula, we get y minus -4 is equal to 1 times x minus -2. Simplifying further, we get y plus 4, since a negative times negative equals positive, equals 1 times x plus 2 for the same reason. Now we distribute 1 across x plus 2. So we have y plus 4 equals x plus 2, since multiplying anything by 1 results in itself. And lastly, we isolate y by subtracting -4 from both sides of the equation, so that we end up with y equals x minus 2. This concludes our example, and we'll see you next time.